Yung Tour of Luzon kasi it has been many decades, no? It started all the way back in the 1950s. It has started as a very small competition akin to the Tour de France. Ngayon, ang naalala natin na Tour of Luzon yung sponsored by Marlboro, yung cigarette. That was the most entertaining and well-known na cycling event na inaabangan natin lahat noong 1980s, 90s. But then, natigil yan. Natigil yung Tour of Luzon. Na-revive yan ulit ng 2002. Tapos, nawala. Nagkaroon ng different versions. Nagkaroon ng Ronda Pilipinas, nagkaroon ng Le Tour de Pilipinas. Now, we're reviving it. Alam mo, nag-umpisa niyan kasi bago lang din ako sa Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation. And nag-iisip ako ng sport na ano ba talagang pinakamagandang bagay para sa tollways na gawing corporate social responsibility. Kasi kung alam ng lahat, siguro yung sa PBA, meron kaming tinatawag na NLEX Road Warriors. Pero dahil enthusiast din ako sa cycling, I cycle a lot, I suggested na magkaroon ng cycling event, i-sponsor ng Metro Pacific. And then may kaibigan ako na who happens to be also a sports enthusiast at meron siyang sports company, yung Duck World. Ang chairman niya, si Mr. Pato Gregorio, he suggested, why don't we revive yung Tour of Luzon? Bagay na bagay yan dun sa tollways ninyo. So, pagdating niyan, na-embrace ko kagad yung idea na yan. I embraced that immediately and then presented that to our chairman, Chairman Manny Pangilinan. And then after that, when I presented it to him, he said, it's a brilliant idea. So pagkatapos nun, nung he said that, we took on the responsibility of organizing it again. Kaya ayun, nag-partner ang MPTC at saka Duck World to revive the Tour of Luzon. Si MVP has a lot of companies in the group. Kasama dyan ang TV5 at Signal. So sabi ni Chairman MVP, if we're going to revive it and organize the Tour of Luzon, make sure that we have to do it properly. We have to make sure na ma-enjoy ng mga tao, makita nila yung aksyon. Sabi niya, parang ang lagi niyang binabanggit, parang Tour de France. Kasi cycling enthusiast din pala si Chairman Manny Pangilinan. Kaya sabi niya, why don't you talk to TV5 and Signal and see how it can be broadcasted para makita yung aksyon ng mga tao. And then of course, yung Duck World is a very important partner ng event na to. They're the ones organizing with us. Saka itong brand kasi ng Tour of Luzon, ginawa na nating MPTC. So maaasahan ng lahat na ito, all the next stages or all the next events ng Tour of Luzon every year, laging kapartner ang MPTC, ang Duck World, ang TV5, ang Signal. The Great Revival, ang nag-coin nito is yung ating commissar of the race, si Mr. Jun Lumibaw. Jun Lumibaw is with the Phil Cycling and also veterano na yan sa ganito Tour of Luzon. And nung kinausap nga namin siya na anong pwede ba nating ibalik yung Tour of Luzon, ito kagad ang nabanggit niya, sabi niya, perfect, sabi niya, kailangan ibalik kasi nawala itong Tour of Luzon nung pandemic. Tagal na nito and we have to do it properly. Kaya sabi niya, let's do a great revival of the Tour of Luzon.